Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Packman-Shetty, and I'm a leading women's health specialist in New York City. Today, I'm going to talk about the true root cause of urine leakage and pelvic floor issues. Trust me, it's not what you think it is. I'm also going to explain why you shouldn't put all your hopes in Kegel exercises, pharmaceuticals, Botox injections, or surgery. Listen, if you're like most of my patients, you probably are looking for fast, long-lasting relief. And who can blame you? That's why I'm going to show you how you can do this in less than 7 seconds a day to fix pee leaks and get your peace of mind back. I've been an OBGYN and maternal health specialist for over 10 years, and I've also taught obstetrics and gynecology to medical students. Women's health has always been a part of my life. I grew up on the labor and delivery unit alongside my mother, who was an OBGYN. After she passed, I felt a deep calling to continue her work. I knew helping women with their health was exactly what I wanted to dedicate my life to. That's why I became the woman advocating, truth-speaking, hard-working doctor who busts women's health myths. No matter if I'm on national TV, on a local podcast, or interviewing for a big newspaper or popular magazine, I say it like it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put a stop to all those sudden, uncontrollable pee leaks that can strike at any moment. Whether you're out running errands, at the office, or even just laughing too hard at a silly joke. As I said, it's all thanks to the 7-second bladder reset protocol from Harvard Medical School, and I'm about to share it with you. It has nothing to do with Kegel exercises, expensive surgeries, and medication, or lifestyle changes. Yet, as soon as you start using the 7-second bladder reset protocol, you will be free from the stress of constantly scanning for the nearest bathroom anytime you leave the house, and the clutching anxiety that comes from feeling an unexpected dribble as you desperately pray your pants don't show a wet spot or worry that your family members or nearby coworkers will smell the odor of what just happened. Instead, you'll finally bid farewell to that awful, dragged down feeling in your pelvis. And that's because the 7-second bladder reset protocol transforms your vaginal health completely by fixing the real culprit behind your uncontrollable pee leaks, something that most doctors never even talk about, even though clinical trials clearly show that this one culprit is behind almost all bladder issues that women experience. It's no wonder the 7-second bladder reset protocol can decrease those sudden urges to go and cases of uncomfortable leakage by over 98%. I know those are some really big promises, but I have a solid reason to be confident about them. This simple 7-second bladder reset protocol has helped thousands of women of all ages and lifestyles take charge of their bladders once and for all. Like Carla from Cincinnati.
I have to tell you, for 6 horrible years, I had to wear dark pants and keep sweaters tied around my waist to hide accidents. But after watching your video and trying the 7-second method you shared, all of those issues are gone. They're just gone. Nowadays, I even forget I ever struggled with leaks.
And Danielle from Phoenix.
Wow, am I glad that I watched that video. It has made a world of difference in such a short time. No more leaks, no more UTIs, no more unpleasant smells, and my husband and I are finally close like we used to be. I cannot thank you enough.
Or Rachel from Denver.
It got to the point where I couldn't even stand at work and give a presentation without fearing like the worst. I know I lost a promotion because of it. But then I found your video and it was a life changer. Now I can jump in and get involved with work whenever I feel like it, and I was recently promoted to a managing director.
Now it's your turn to join the tens of thousands of women who have broken free of constant anxiety and embarrassment. So let's get started. As a maternal fetal medicine specialist, I deal with complicated cases. When patients come to me, it means something serious needs attention, fast, and it goes way beyond everyday treatments. This means I'm always at the forefront of discovering new ways of treating women and part of some of the biggest recent breakthroughs in women's health. I really want to make a difference in the lives of my patients. I believe in caring for every woman's unique needs, and I reject any medical approach that reduces them to bodies with symptoms. That's why I practice with a more holistic approach, whether I'm keeping new moms healthy or helping menopausal women with urinary incontinence. I always lend a hand to my fellow gynecologists where I can and support them with their patients. And there have been a few difficult cases that changed my perspective. Let's call one of these patients Amanda, a 48-year-old mom of 2 living in the Dallas suburbs. Maybe you know someone like her. After she gave birth to her second child, things just didn't feel the same for her. That's when she started to deal with bladder issues like leakage. At first, it was just a small dribble here and there when she'd laugh at a joke or run after the kids around the house. But as the years went by, these little accidents started happening more often, like when she drove on a bumpy road or stood up too quickly from the couch. And what really freaked her out was that they would sometimes happen just out of the blue, like while sitting next to her husband, trying to enjoy the few moments alone before going to bed, when all of a sudden she would have to excuse herself and run to the bathroom. On one occasion, she found him changing the sheets, and she wished for the earth to just swallow her. This would not only happen in the intimacy of her bedroom, but in public too. Too often, she would find herself frantically rushing to the nearest bathroom before a visible wet spot formed on her pants. She was constantly afraid that her coworkers or friends would see. Tears would be running down her face while changing her panty liners. She gave up wearing light clothes, afraid of visible stains. She gave up jumping on the trampoline with her kids or going on hikes. Even sitting through a 2-hour movie felt risky. Going for a visit to her friend's house? Forget it. Over the years, as the problem worsened, she became desperate to make it stop. She did Kegel reps multiple times a day until she was red-faced. She tried meditating, breathing, and contorted herself into all sorts of yoga poses. She took oxybutynin and trospium and drank teas like horsetail and lavender religiously. But after months of trial and error, she still leaked every time she sneezed or bent over. Nothing seemed to work for her. Frustrated, she considered getting surgery on her urinary tract, but the thought of going under the knife for a procedure, plus the chance of infections or something going wrong, made her change her mind. Moreover, her medical insurance would have barely covered the cost, and she was already in debt trying to pay for her kids' school. Then came one of the most mortifying moments of her life, her 30-year high school reunion. Even though she was worried about pee leaks, she still decided to go and see old friends. She chose a seat close to the bathroom just in case. Everything was going well until someone shared an absolutely hilarious story about the time in their senior prank went horribly wrong. The entire room erupted in belly laughs, and so did she. Suddenly, she felt a warm rush between her legs that she was powerless to control. She froze when she felt pee running down her thighs, creating a wet spot on her pants. At that moment, she never felt more lonely, defective, or humiliated. It's no wonder that after her worst nightmare came true, she became completely hopeless and isolated herself. Now, I kept asking myself, what can I do for someone like Amanda, who has already tried every combination of just about everything? Well, when none of the known solutions are working, there's one thing to do. Go back to the drawing board. Go beyond symptoms and find the real root cause. So after going over hundreds of scientific studies and articles, reviewing the files of patients over and over again, trying to find a link, I realized that in the case of women like Amanda, even though they were different when it came to their age, lifestyle, or condition, there was one thing that they had in common, something peculiar going on in their pelvis. You see, when pee leaks happen, it's because your bladder muscle starts to involuntarily contract and let urine out. Even though these aren't spasms you can feel, you know that they're happening because you can't keep your pee in. One might wonder, why does my bladder spasm? Well, it all comes down to something called the urinary microbiome. Now, maybe you've heard about the gut microbiome before, which is the entire ecosystem of bacteria living inside your gut. And why a lot of people today know how crucial this microbiome is for your health. What scientists and experts have only recently realized is that there's a whole universe of good and bad bacteria living inside your urinary tract too. And you guessed it, that's your urinary microbiome. A new, powerful research study from Harvard Medical School actually proves, without a doubt, that just like how your gut bacteria can become unbalanced and lead to a variety of health issues, the bacteria in your urinary microbiome can get knocked out of balance too. And when that happens, it actually leads to the pee leaks and other pelvic floor issues that so many of us women have as we reach our 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. See, it's right there in the title, the association between the urinary microbiome and urinary incontinence in women. And if you're currently dealing with pee leaks or any bladder issues, this is what is most likely happening in your urinary tract right now. Any unusual smells or discharge or vaginal irritation, that's also a clear sign that your microbiome is in danger. Now, just as in your gut, you have good and bad vaginal bacteria. Normally, the good bacteria should help you function and keep everything healthy and clean while fighting off the bad bacteria. However, when something happens that makes the good bacteria in your urinary tract start to die off, several types of bad bacteria begin to spread and multiply throughout your bladder, urinary tract, or vagina, colonizing the intimate areas. And according to both the scientists at Harvard and researchers at Duke University, who just published a major study looking into this in late October 2023, one of the first things these bad bacteria do once they've spread through your urinary tract is to irritate, pinch, and inflame the key muscle that controls the bladder. This causes this bladder control muscle to involuntarily spasm and contract when it normally wouldn't, which in turn causes you to lose control of your urine. Just think about how the muscles in your arms or legs immediately twitch if you get a sudden itch or if a mosquito bites you. It's the same. There's a ton of research emerging about the role bad bacteria plays in all of our bladder and pelvic floor issues. Cutting-edge clinical studies have been conducted at Loyola University's Stritch School of Medicine, Brown University's Alpert Medical School, and the esteemed Division of Pelvic Medicine and Reconstructive Surgery at the University of California, San Diego, all proving that the overgrowth of bad bacteria in your urinary tract and bladder is causing the uncontrollable pee leaks and sudden urges to go to the bathroom. But you know what? Forget about all these complicated studies. If you want to see direct proof that a poor urinary microbiome is making you pee more, then take this test. Sip a Diet Coke and watch how often you run to the bathroom in the next hour. That's because the acidity in the Diet Coke temporarily lowers the urinary pH, directly irritates the urothelium, and messes with the bacteria in your bladder. In short, your bladder isn't broken. Your urinary microbiome might just be off. That's why Kegel exercises are not enough for women like Amanda. They do not stop the bad bacteria from irritating the bladder muscles and causing them to involuntarily spasm. Same with the over-the-counter drugs for urinary incontinence. They do not help rebuild the good bacteria for your urinary microbiome to thrive. You might wonder why the good bacteria in your urinary tract would die off in the first place. While things like hormonal changes, antibiotics, perimenopause, menopause, or even eating and drinking habits can all play a role, the biggest culprit that affects all women, no matter their condition or age, is by far the most shocking: the tampons, pads, and panty liners that almost every woman on the planet has used thousands of times. While we might think of these essential feminine helpers as being completely harmless, the truth is most of them are soaked in all kinds of microbiome disrupting chemicals and filled with a class of chemicals called dioxins. Dioxins are a byproduct of the bleaching process companies use to make their tampons, pads, and diapers appear extra white and clean. Imagine your vaginal and urinary microbiome are like a garden, and you're pouring bleach on it. Time magazine even wrote a revealing expose on these chemicals recently. The World Health Organization now categorizes dioxins as a highly toxic human carcinogen. And today, more and more scientists and medical doctors, like Dr. Amy Zota at George Washington University and Dr. Philip Tierno at NYU, have been publishing research conclusively proving that as you use tampons and pads over time, these dioxins are absorbed into your vagina, climb the walls of your urethra, and then spread through your bladder, wiping out the good bacteria in your urinary microbiome and creating the perfect environment for the bad bacteria that cause those sudden, involuntary contractions in your bladder to run rampant, which in turn leads to uncontrollable pee leaks, frequent urges to urinate, and even UTIs. This can be true for women who are menopausal or postmenopausal too. Even if you don't use tampons or pads anymore, the years or even decades of exposure to these bladder-wrecking chemicals has created a breeding ground for this bad bacteria. And the good bacteria that's supposed to make sure your bladder functions normally and keep everything clean has been wiped away. That can also be why so many women experience more frequent pee leaks as they get older. You may think it's just a natural part of aging, but really, it's years and years of these chemicals wiping out most of the good bacteria in your vagina, urinary tract, and bladder. Add to that things like antibiotics, stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes caused by a C-section or menopause, and you have the perfect storm. And if nothing is done, the bad bacteria will only continue to grow and make these problems worse. This is really shocking, especially since everyone from leading medical doctors to the FDA to big social media influencers are all sounding the alarm on what's happening. Yet the media and news rarely mention any of this. Maybe it's because feminine care is a $22 billion per year industry run by a handful of mega corporations that care more about their profits than your actual health. Thankfully, you can buy only 100% organic cotton tampons and pads from brands like Rayon or Cora. That will at least stop more dioxins from entering your urinary tract. It won't, however, solve the underlying bacteria problem. So the question that comes up, is there any way to get rid of that bad bacteria, rebuild the urinary microbiome, and stop the uncontrollable spasms? And the answer is yes. There's a simple way to quickly and easily get rid of the bad bacteria that are currently holding your urinary tract hostage, rebuild the good, healthy bacteria inside your vagina, bladder, and urinary tract while strengthening your bladder muscles at the same time. It takes all of 7 seconds to do, and it's something that gets to the bottom of both leakage and an overactive bladder, which means once you start using this bladder reset protocol, you'll never again experience the uncomfortable surprise of an unexpected trickle running down your thighs. You'll drastically reduce your risk of UTIs, and you'll be amazed by how much fresher and healthier you feel, starting pretty much immediately. So what is this bladder reset protocol? The moment I realized how many women were suffering like Amanda was, women who have tried and failed every conventional method on the book, and just how crucial a thriving urinary microbiome is when it comes to bladder strength, and how it can completely change the lives of millions of women for the better well into old age, I started looking for solutions. Let me tell you, it was not easy. I wasn't happy with anything I could find on the market until, by a stroke of luck, at a medical conference, I met the owners of a research laboratory for natural health solutions. We got to talking, and when they told me about their discoveries, my eyes lit up. Their laboratory team was made up of medical researchers, biochemists, and herbalists. One of the protocols they were pouring their hearts and souls into was a bladder reset protocol that could rejuvenate the urinary microbiome and strengthen the bladder muscles in just 7 seconds a day. According to the lab team, who had been creating and testing hundreds of formulas in the past 10 years, it was the most powerful urinary microbiome restoring solution in the world, one that could stop pee leaks in record time. Hearing all that, I was pretty skeptical. I had to see it with my own eyes what it could do. To my surprise, their entire solution revolved around an extremely powerful, cleansing purple flower and a strong mix of unique, advanced probiotic strains that are not typically found in retail or even specialty stores. They were mixing and using them in a very specific way, making sure these probiotics were alive and kicking, and potent enough to make it through the entire system. Let's see what this ultimate protocol contains and why it works so incredibly well. It has 3 simple steps that anyone can do, and I'll show you how. Step 1. Clear out the bad bacteria and toxins from your urinary tract and calm down your bladder muscle. This purple flower is one of the most effective natural cleansers known to science. I'm talking about Mimosa pudica, sometimes called the humble plant for the way it bows when touched. However, don't get fooled, as this plant has been successfully used to treat venomous snake bites. Its seeds turn to a gel-like substance that binds to and traps bad bacteria, toxins, yeast, and parasites for elimination. After removing bad bacteria and toxic load, Mimosa pudica calms and soothes the bladder muscles, urethra, and vaginal walls, and eases burning and irritation during urination. This will stop the bladder muscle spasms and make you forget about urgency and discomfort. You'll have fewer gotta-go moments, you'll be able to wear what you want, and grocery trips won't need pit stops, and you'll get more relaxed time with your friends and family. However, for Mimosa pudica seeds to truly work their magic, they must be harvested at a precise stage of maturity and processed without heat, something that almost no supplement on the market actually does. So don't go buying any generic supplements that you might be wasting your money on, especially since Mimosa pudica truly unleashes its full cleansing force when paired with organic bearberry extract and heritage cranberry extract. Organic bearberry extract speeds up the flushing of the bad bacteria and toxins that Mimosa pudica eliminated. This will turbocharge your results and help you regain control of your bladder faster. At the same time, heritage cranberry extract will prevent any other toxins or damaging bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder. Notice the word heritage before the cranberry extract. Not all cranberry extracts are the same. Heritage cranberry extract refers to older, truly potent wild strains that contain the highest amounts of healing compounds. Now, after you've cleared out the bad bacteria from your urinary tract, it's time for step 2. Rebuild, replenish, and rejuvenate your urinary microbiome. Here's when the mix of unique probiotic strains comes to rebuild the community of good bacteria in your bladder. Now, not all probiotics suit your urinary microbiome. Just like you cannot take the same pill for a toothache and bad digestion. Your bladder needs a special type, and these ones are remarkable. Unlike the store-bought strains that are mostly dead due to poor packaging, these are live probiotics, strong enough to rejuvenate your bladder microbiome. The first probiotic, called Lactobacillus crispatus, is believed to be the true superhero strain because it has the unique ability to clear out the 2 worst types of bad bacteria that are irritating your bladder muscles, Gardnerella and S. aeruginosus. Once the very last one of these stubborn bacteria is gone, L. crispatus stabilizes the microbiome and reduces inflammation, thereby calming the bladder and stopping the muscle spasms. Moreover, according to a key study published by the highly respected journal Pathogens, it strengthens your pelvic muscles too. This means you'll be able to lift your shopping bags or run down the stairs while staying in complete control of your bladder. The next probiotic, Lactobacillus gasseri, helps your urinary microbiome achieve its natural balance and kickstarts its rejuvenation. In one cutting-edge study conducted at the Laboratory of Food Science and Technology at Jiangnan University, scientists found that this strain reduced the frequency of pee leaks in women who participated in the study by 86%. And to make it even more impressive, it also helps significantly reduce bad odors. Next, we have Lactobacillus plantarum, a probiotic that has the unique ability to adhere to the inner lining of your bladder and create a protective barrier against any future bad bacteria in order to block them from causing those uncontrollable bladder contractions. And because this protocol was created to go beyond urinary health and protect you against UTIs and vaginal infections as well, Lactobacillus casei was added into the mix. This strain is especially effective when it comes to destroying Candida, a type of fungal yeast that's behind many of our most common vaginal infections. Just check out these 2 side-by-side images. These are from a major 2021 study done by a team of 7 world-renowned bacteriologists in Brazil. Do you see those large, dark tubes that are all over the place in the image on the left that's labeled C? Well, that's vaginal Candida right there. Meanwhile, do you see how there are way fewer of those tube-like structures in the image on the right, labeled D, and how they appear to be almost fading away? Well, you're looking at the exact same sample of vaginal Candida, and if the difference looked dramatic, it should, because the researchers found that this specific strain of Lactobacillus casei destroyed 95.6% of all vaginal Candida in just 24 hours. These women were suffering from painful, burning, and smelly vaginal infections at the time, and just a tiny dose of L. casei completely fixed the problem in a single day. This took away their pain and discomfort so they could get on with their day, meet their friends, or cuddle on the couch with their partners. Isn't that simply amazing? Now, To round out the list of unique and powerful probiotic strains, I need to tell you about a special probiotic strain called Lactobacillus acidophilus. This probiotic is a really big deal because everyone from scientists at Harvard to world-famous microbiologists in Amsterdam agree that this is one of the most important probiotic strains for women, as it can fix the damage and restore order after major events in a woman's life. It restores the vaginal and urinary microbiome after antibiotics, infections, or hormonal changes caused by perimenopause, menopause, stress, or birth control. Helps with vaginal dryness, blocks E. coli, the main cause of UTIs, from sticking to the urinary tract lining and flushes it out, all while stimulating the immune system to fight against bladder infections like cystitis. It's time to move on to the last step. Step 3, make your bladder muscles extra strong and protect your urinary system from pee leaks well into old age. Last but not least, this is where granular berberine plays its part. This natural extract from rare plants strengthens the smooth muscle of your bladder, as well as the blood vessels. It also reduces the contractions that cause pee leaks, which mean you will be able to hold in pee for longer and say goodbye to those night trips to the bathroom. Berberine also boosts the brain to bladder signaling, helping your nerves communicate more clearly so your muscles know exactly when to hold it or let it go. Considering brain and nerve cells weaken with age, this is essential as we get older. Now, just imagine all these ingredients working together to kick out every single toxin or bad bacteria, calming any irritation and inflammation, regenerating your urinary and vaginal microbiome, and rejuvenating your bladder muscles so they become firm and strong again, putting an end to these uncontrollable pee leaks while sheltering you from UTIs, infections, or bad smells. How much better would your life be? And wouldn't it be something you'd want to try? For women like Amanda, the answer was a big yes, please. So when the research team I met at the medical conference told me they'd already spent over a year finding the purest forms of Mimosa pudica, heritage cranberry, and the most proven forms of those probiotic strains I told you about, and that they'd spent over $200,000 finding a way to get them into tiny, easy-to-swallow pills that uses a special encapsulation process to keep each of those probiotic strains and the plant's properties fresh without refrigeration, I couldn't wait to see this formula at work. One of the first people to try it out was just like Amanda. She took one capsule every morning with a big glass of water. She was pretty skeptical, but who could blame her? In the first week, she didn't see a huge difference. The leaks were still giving her a hard time, and while she was getting more and more anxious, she had to keep in her mind that urinary incontinence could be a result of years of exposure to toxins in tampons and pads, which meant that reversing all that damage and getting rid of all that bad bacteria behind pee leaks might not happen overnight. She needed to be patient, and it's a good thing she kept taking those capsules, as on day 12, she felt something shifting. At first, it was just a feeling, like a big weight had been lifted off her shoulders. Then, when she was dusting around the house that afternoon, and she let out a hard sneeze, fully expecting to leak into her jeans, just like she had so many times before, to her surprise, nothing happened. Feeling better and better, she decided to try her luck a few days later. She took her kids to the park on a hot summer day, wearing light pants and no pad. She was really surprised to find that she'd made it through the whole afternoon, running, jumping, and having fun with the kids without a single leak, and having to go only twice to the bathroom. It was such an incredible feeling of relief, and the more weeks that went by, the more noticeable the changes became. When her best friend made her giggle over coughing one morning, she unconsciously braced for another embarrassing wet spot, but nothing came. And when she went on a movie date with her husband, 2 hours zipped by as she was totally transfixed and enjoying the film, with no sudden urges to bolt to the bathroom. After 3 weeks without a single pee leak accident, she stopped carrying extra underwear in her purse. She started feeling like the most carefree person in the world, especially since that dull, pulling ache that she'd been feeling in her pelvis for so long was completely gone. Her husband noticed the changes too. He told her he hadn't seen her so happy and vibrant in years. and then he was over the moon that they were back to being intimate again. When I heard about this transformation, it felt nothing short of a miracle. So I decided to work together with the research team to help them make it available to as many women as possible. After several months of working until dawn to test every possible interaction between the hundreds of compounds so we could get the perfect quantities, the new, improved, and extra powerful formula finally saw the light of day. There was only one last thing to do: test it out to see if it really works on women of all ages and conditions. So the medical and research team reached out to their wives, mothers, sisters, and friends who had shared their struggle with urinary incontinence and uncontrollable bladders, from postpartum moms dealing with body changes to women who had tried every bladder control product on the market without success. We asked them to volunteer to give it a try. The feedback was nothing short of incredible.
Whenever I went out, I had to carry extra underwear because even just laughing a little bit too hard meant I would pee my pants. But thanks to you, I recently attended a comedy show with my husband. Then we went to karaoke with friends, sang and danced, and I had 0 leaks for the first time in years. I cannot believe I could laugh and be just so carefree again. Thank you so much.
For years after giving birth to my second girl, I felt like a walking broken faucet. Sometimes I would leak a little bit. Sometimes it would be a lot. Sometimes it would happen just because of a sneeze. Sometimes it would be out of the blue for no reason at all. It was so frustrating. It's now been 3 months since I started taking your capsules, and I can't tell you how relieved I feel. It feels like a blessing to be able to just move around and do my thing without worrying about pee leaks.
When I found this solution, I was so depressed. I had lost all hope. I tried so many solutions. I wasn't convinced it would work, but my daughter insisted. 9 weeks later, after starting your formula, leakings just stopped. I'm feeling dry for the first time in ages, and I'm not switching pads several times a day. It's like a miracle. I hope more women find out about this.
Now, it's so exciting to offer you the chance to stop bladder incontinence for good by giving you the opportunity to try this groundbreaking solution for yourself. It's called Femicor, the ultimate solution for women who want to take back complete control of their bladder and stop leaks before they happen. This groundbreaking formula works fast to eliminate harmful bacteria in your urinary microbiome, calm your bladder muscles, and make them strong, resilient, and reliable again. No more sudden urges, leaks, or constant bathroom anxiety. Just take 1 capsule every morning and let science do the rest. Each capsule is packed with the most powerful bladder-strengthening nutrients and clinically backed probiotic strains that strengthen your urinary system from the inside out. Designed for maximum absorption and fast action, Femicor gives your body what it needs to restore control, confidence, and freedom. Every single capsule is manufactured in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under strict, sterile, and precise standards. Non-GMO and safe, our bladder-strengthening formula does not contain any dangerous toxins and is not habit-forming. Since its release, Femicor has been providing relief for thousands of women like you. By now, I'm guessing that you're probably ready to try this state-of-the-art solution for yourself. And why shouldn't you be? It is the first scientifically backed method that's designed to rebuild your urinary microbiome, fully strengthen your bladder muscles, and stop pee leaks at the source. I'm sure you can tell that I take pride in the work that I do. As one of America's leading gynecologists, my reputation is everything, and I would only ever attach my name to a product if I believed in it 100%. That's why you need to know that we absolutely refuse to cut any corners. With this bladder reset formula, you're always guaranteed a premium product that is clinically tested and proven to work. We've never spared any expense when it came to formulating it, especially since there are only a couple of laboratories in the world that can work with probiotic strains with such precision and care that they can stay alive and strong so they can do their job and rebuild your urinary microbiome. As you can imagine, quality like this doesn't come cheap. However, when you compare the price of this breakthrough formula with the dozens of formulations containing outdated, generic formulas that are barely of any help, And given the lack of real solutions for overactive bladder issues, this formula could easily be sold at a very high price. Think about it. How much would you be willing to invest to never have to carry a second pair of underwear in your purse? To get rid of the anxiety over unexpected leaks as your pants stay completely dry, even when you exercise, do physical movement, or laugh with your friends? To see the constant discomfort and unease that plagues your daily life simply fade away? $300? $500? $700? However, it's not my place to put a price on your health or on the peace of mind of being free from overactive bladder issues or UTIs. From the very beginning, this was about making it accessible for everyone. That's why we thought that to make it affordable for most women, but also cover the ingredients cost and at least part of the research time we have invested, the retail value of this product should be $175. This is a genuine steal, considering what this unique solution can do. However, as I said, our goal has always been to put this state-of-the-art formula into the hands of as many women in need as possible. That's why we decided to cut out the middlemen and instead of selling it in stores, make it available only on this website and pass the savings on to you. This means you don't need to invest $170 to transform the health of your bladder and urinary microbiome, nor $150, nor $120. All we want is to cover the cost of the ingredients and keep this site running for as long as possible. Today, and only on this website, you can get a bottle of Femicor for as little as $1.50 a day with our most popular package, which works out to only $49 per bottle. That's right, just $49 per bottle if you choose our most popular 6-bottle package. Now, out of my good medical conscience, I can't tell you that it only takes 1 bottle to achieve all the extraordinary results detailed above. Whoever promises you results overnight is not being truthful to you. The female urinary system is complex, and it can't just be fixed right away. But because I'm grateful you've made it this far into the presentation, if you order a 3 or 6 bottle package, we'll not only give you a big discount, but also 3 additional bonuses, and you'll be protected by our 60-day money-back guarantee. Here's why it's such a good idea to go with the 6-bottle package. While many of our users experience noticeable changes in as little as a couple of weeks, the real magic happens when you take it for at least 90 to 180 days. We've seen the effects of this bladder reset breakthrough on many women. That's why I would recommend you take 1 capsule every morning for at least 90 days, just to make sure your urinary microbiome is 100% rebuilt. The simple fact is, we cannot estimate exactly how affected your urinary microbiome is at this point, nor how irritated your bladder muscles are. This depends on many factors, like your level of stress, your immune system, and your lifestyle choices. But especially if you're over 50, or if you've been suffering from urinary incontinence for more than half a year, I recommend you take the capsules for at least 3 to 6 months. 6 months if you want to be sure that your urinary microbiome is as good as new. 6 months will also help you really strengthen your bladder, say goodbye to pee leaks for good, and prevent UTIs. The healing strains and natural ingredients will have enough time to build up and thrive in your urinary system. This means the longer you take the urinary microbiome rebuilding formula, the better you feel, while your bladder muscles will become stronger, firmer, and more flexible. Your progress improves exponentially every single day, so it would be a shame to be so close to never having to deal with pee leaks just to notice you're out of this formula. Unfortunately, missing just 1 day might lead to the weakening of the urinary microbiome and bladder muscle that are just starting to thrive. This means you could risk compromising or slowing down your entire progress, while having to wait months for a new batch of this rare and advanced solution to become available again. And when it finally is, you might realize that the price has increased. So why risk all of this when today you can get our 6-bottle package at an incredibly generous discount? So go ahead and choose the 6-bottle package, or whichever one is right for you, by clicking on the link below this video right now. And because we want you to be absolutely sure that this product is right for you, as I mentioned, we want to offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you have at least a full 60 days to test drive the formula for yourself. We're confident you'll be ecstatic with your results. But if for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with your order, simply contact our friendly support staff, send back all the bottles, including the empty ones, and they'll issue a refund. And you know what? If you buy our 6-bottle package and your bladder control is restored sooner, feel free to send us back the bottles you haven't used, and you'll get your money back for every single one of them. Even though, if I were you, I would save them for my friends or family. To put it plainly, if for any reason you're not thrilled with this product, you pay nothing. If you regain your bladder control sooner and you still have some unused bottles left, we'll give you your money back for them. That's just how we believe business should be done. Either you love this product or you don't pay a dime. What could be simpler than that? And because you're covered with our 60-day, no-hassle, money-back guarantee, why not take advantage of our 6-month, highly discounted package? It really is the smartest option. And you're protected either way. If you love this product, you've locked into our lowest rate of just $49 per bottle, saying more than anybody else. And if this formula doesn't work for you, then you just simply ask for a refund and lose nothing. When I give my patients Femicor, they often have a couple questions, such as, how can I make my sex life better again after this? Or, now that I know how important the microbiome is, how can I make my gut health as good as possible? That's why today, if you invest in a 3 or 6 month supply, I have decided to include 3 exclusive online bonus books worth $169, absolutely free, that until now I've only shared with my patients. The first gift is a free copy of 7 Days to Rekindle the Passion in Your Marriage. In this eye-opening ebook, you'll discover a step-by-step plan for making the bedroom a love nest again. Inside you'll find the 10-second kiss that floods his body with desire and has him initiating sex for the first time in months. The unexpected Cleopatra's secret that will make your man insanely attracted to you, as well as how to use overlooked erogenous zones to get him in the mood anytime, anywhere. This second free ebook I'll be sharing with you today is even more special, as it will help you quickly balance your gut microbiome for a flatter stomach. It's called Reset Your Gut, Perfect Digestion While Eating Your Favorite Foods. Inside, you'll discover the 5 worst gut-busting foods women over 40 should avoid, and healthy alternatives that fix your gut microbiome fast. The real reason why you crave sugar and carbs, hint, it has nothing to do with willpower, and the simple trick to eat as much cake as you want without gaining any weight. And why, according to a new study, adding just a dash of this common spice to your meals can reduce bloating up to 72%. And bonus number 3, unlock painless hips and legs, the complete lower body mobility blueprint. This guide will make your daily life so much easier. Inside you'll find the hip hugging stretch that eliminates tightness and discomfort in your hips and upper legs within days. The 30-second mobility trick to avoid getting frozen hips when sitting too long. 7 quick hip opening yoga moves you can do first thing in the morning to stay limber all day. All 3 guides are yours for free when you buy the 3-pack or 6-pack on sale, and you'll get access to them immediately. But that's not all, because when you order the discounted 3-month or 6-month package, you'll also get free shipping, which is an additional savings of $9.95. Both the special multi-bottle discount and the free shipping are only available for a limited time. When we run out of this bladder reset breakthrough, it may take us several months to restock. So choose the 6-bottle package or any other package below this video right now to secure your order. This is undoubtedly one of the most critical steps you'll ever take to regain control and restore your confidence. To claim your discount, simply click the button below to order the 6-month supply, or whichever quantity suits your needs. After you've chosen your package, you'll be directed to our secure order page, where you can provide your shipping and payment details. We use the same top-grade 256-bit encryption technology as major online retailers like eBay or Walmart, so you can rest easy knowing your information is safe with us. Once you press enter, you'll see our confirmation page detailing exactly what to expect with your order, and your bottles will be sent right to your home in a completely discreet package. Remember though, we often face out of stocks, While we do everything we can to avoid this, it's simply the reality of trying to deliver a product like this to so many people, placing substantial orders simultaneously. But don't worry, as long as you're watching this video right now and don't see any out-of-stock notice, we still have bottles of this Bladder Reset Breakthrough in stock at the lowest possible price. I wanted to highlight this because I can't predict when we might run out of stock next. I don't want you to fall in love with this Bladder Reset Breakthrough only to return here a month later to find that it's completely sold out. So that's just one more reason why our 6-month option is the most popular, because not only will you reap the full benefits, but you will also have ample time to place a follow-up order if you choose to. Now we've come to that crucial moment when the decision lies in your hands. You've seen the groundbreaking science behind this innovative solution, and you've heard the inspirational stories of individuals just like you who have revolutionized their lives in just a matter of seconds each day. I fully support this product, and we've done everything in our power to make this decision one of the most straightforward, sensible choices you'll ever make. Regardless of the size of your order, you're 100% safeguarded by our 60-day unconditional money-back guarantee. If you're feeling a tad uncertain, I implore you not to let any doubts get to you, because you're 100% safe and protected. When you think of it, what other option do you have? I can only imagine all of the failed solutions you've attempted in the past that have only left you feeling disappointed and anxious. But now you have an entirely different solution right in front of you. Of course, you could leave this page right now after hearing everything I've shared. But what will that change? You'll find yourself back on that relentless cycle of frustrations, another awkward incident at a public event, the anxiety of feeling a sudden urge to pee and not finding a restroom in sight. Your social life will be dwindling because of the constant fear of accidents, your world becoming more isolated. You and I both know that's no way to live. That's why I'm extending my hand to offer you a way out. You don't even have to say yes. All you have to do is say maybe and try out this Bladder Reset Breakthrough for yourself. If you don't absolutely love this solution for any reason at all, simply ask for a refund and you'll get every penny of your purchase back. You could be just moments away from a life free of worry, one where you can laugh, sneeze, or exercise without fear. I genuinely hope you make the right choice and reclaim control of your bladder for good. All you need to do to get started is just choose your package from below right now, and I'll see you on the other side to help you continue your journey. Regardless of your choice, I want to personally thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. I wish you all the health, happiness, and freedom in the world. Still there? Great. I know we've covered a lot, so let me go ahead and answer some of the most common questions I get. Sarah from Durham, North Carolina asked me, how does the 7-second Bladder Reset Breakthrough work again? Our major breakthrough is filled with special compounds that restore the balance of bacteria in your urinary microbiome. This includes your vagina, urinary tract, and bladder. When the balance is disrupted, it leads to urinary dysbiosis, where bad bacteria overstimulate the cells in your bladder muscles, causing involuntary contractions and those sudden, uncontrollable pee leaks. The special compounds in our formula prevent all of that from happening by repopulating your urinary microbiome with good bacteria so that you can regain control and say goodbye to those embarrassing pee leaks. Andrea from Miami, Florida wanted to know, who should take this 7-second bladder rebalancing breakthrough? If you had to ask me this question a decade ago, I would have said only women with severe urinary incontinence. However, now, with all the new research showing that more and more women are suffering from bladder issues, my suggestion is that anyone who is even remotely worried about their bladder health should try it. Anna from Austin, Texas said, what if it doesn't work for me? That's an easy one. Remember, this 7-second Bladder Reset Breakthrough comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. That means you order this 7-second Bladder Reset formula today. Then you have a full 60 days to decide if it's right for you. If you're like the thousands of other women who have used this advanced bladder control formula already, then you will be thrilled with the results. But if for any reason you're not, simply call or email our customer service team and we will refund your investment. Emma from St. Petersburg, Florida asked, how long will the 7-second bladder reset breakthrough be available? That's a tough one. My goal is to make a huge impact by helping women all across the country regain full control of their bladder. However, because most people in the healthcare industry aren't too happy with me and my discovery, it's uncertain how much longer this breakthrough will be available. Plus, with all the issues our world is facing right now, the economy isn't what it used to be. Supply chains are affected, and the ingredients are a little harder to come by. That's why it's important that you get the 7-second bladder reset formula today, especially since it comes with a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee, which means there's zero risk to you. That's also why you should really stock up. And finally, Barbara from Oklahoma City asked, all right, I want to try this bladder reset breakthrough. Now what? That's the easiest part. Just click one of the buttons below and choose your package. After that, you'll go to our 100% secure checkout page. Then, just enter your payment information and place your order. Don't worry, there's no automatic billing or anything like that. Remember, you can get started and save over 70% by choosing our most popular 6-bottle package. Just fill out your details on the next page to complete your order, and the bladder reset breakthrough will be in your hands within the next 5 to 7 business days. Plus, there's no risk because of my ironclad 60-day guarantee. This presentation is now ending. I want to thank you for sticking with me all the way until the end. Go ahead and choose your package now. Thank you for watching.